there has been a sudden increase in the number of objects in the sky, more slow-moving objects above our country, around the world.
Aliens having visited Earth, although that's what I spend my life. So much out there in the universe, aliens exist somewhere.
There's objects in the skies that we don't know exactly what they are. We can't explain.
Fireballs in California. On November 14th, 2024, a remarkable event took place above California when fireballs were seen falling through the sky, emitting bright, intense flames. The sight was nothing short of spectacular, with the fireballs glowing with an otherworldly brightness as they descended. Witnesses were left in awe, unable to comprehend the cause of such a dramatic and unusual display. Despite various theories circulating, no clear explanation has been provided for the origin of these fireballs. Some speculated that they could have been a UFO or an alien encounter, while others pondered whether they were simply meteorites entering the Earth's atmosphere. However, the true nature of these fireballs remains a mystery. Strange plasma anomaly. A few years ago, a jaw-dropping video featuring a glowing UFO landing on Earth went viral, leaving viewers in awe. Guys, I've never seen anything like this before. Is that the sky? The sight of such a radiant object hovering in the air amazed many, while some speculated that it was a shape-shifting entity descending to Earth in a plasma beam. Others dismissed it as a clever hoax aimed at generating views. But putting the UFO theories aside, what fascinates me the most in this clip isn't the UFO itself, but the enormous cloudy hand holding it. Can you see that? Hold on, let me zoom in. Now take a good look. Do you think that's the hand of an angel, God, or something entirely different? Look at the sky. It truly looks like a divine sign. SpaceX. I've seen countless strange phenomena in the sky, but this one still blows my mind. 6 years ago, people in California were alarmed when they saw something unusual in the sky. A mysterious object flew across, leaving behind a trail of smoke, and everyone feared the worst. Oh my God, I remember thinking something terrible was about to happen. But just then, the truth came out on the local news. It was actually a reused SpaceX rocket launching 10 satellites into orbit from California. That smoke trail, it was just part of its amazing journey into space. Green light. I came across this formation of green lights in the Texas sky that had UFO enthusiasts buzzing all over the state. On September 1st, 2022, a man filmed something truly bizarre near Spicewood. Oh, whoa, what is that? A set of 5 green lights hovering in the night sky. The lights seemed to stay in place, forming a strange pattern. Then, just as mysteriously, 2 of them started drifting away, leaving the others behind. Witnesses were left stunned, with many speculating the lights were either extraterrestrial visitors or secret military drones. No official explanation was ever given, leaving this sighting an ongoing mystery. Dual moon in Dubai. Wait, what is that? Do you see it? Yeah, in this video from Dubai, people spotted what appeared to be 2 moons in the sky. Various photos and videos captured the unusual phenomenon, and as expected, people jumped to wild conclusions. Some suggested it was a hoax, a mysterious Planet X, or even a real second moon. Others thought it might have been a projection of Phobos and Deimos, Mars' 2 moons. But what do you think? Honestly, I'm stumped on this one right now. A glimpse of heaven. This occurred in China. Wait a minute, why do all these strange sightings seem to come from China? Anyway, in this video, a crowd of people frantically pulled out their phones in disbelief to capture what seemed like a scene from a dream. Curious about what it is? Well, take a look. An angelic figure appeared in the sky, framed by a stunning backdrop. Though Chinese officials haven't revealed anything about the clip, the evidence was so compelling that people began to believe other dimensions really exist, not just in stories, but with angels and demons coexisting with us in real time. And unlike them, we just can't access their world. Strange portal in the sky. Wait, what just happened? In this video, an unidentified flying object was hovering high in the sky, looking pretty normal at first. But then, a square Sean portal appeared above it, and the UFO suddenly vanished into it before the portal closed. Did a UFO just disappear into a portal? Or am I imagining things? Wormy Rain. In today's world, it feels like anything can fall from the sky, just like in this bizarre case of worm rain in Ling, China. Yeah, I'm serious. Worms were literally falling from the sky, landing on cars and forcing locals to use their umbrellas to shield themselves from the wormy downpour. Nature can truly surprise you at any moment. Or maybe it's time for China to give Rihanna a call for some extra umbrellas. Portal to another dimension. Ever seen anything like this? Neither have I. Check out this video from Canada where two strange objects were spinning in the sky, almost as if they were trying to open a portal to another dimension. Looking for that helicopter, or wondering what that was. Further investigations revealed these objects were alien spacecraft attempting to create a Stargate-style portal, which eventually led to this stunning sky phenomenon, something that looks truly out of this world. Fish rain. A strange event was captured in Aeon just a few months ago. During a heavy rainstorm in the Yasu region, videos showing fish falling from the sky, alive and jumping like they had just been pulled from water, went viral. But don't worry, this isn't as eerie as it sounds. Scientists explain that fish rain happens when tornadoes pick up sea creatures like fish, frogs, and crabs. When the winds die down, the creatures fall back to the ground. Fireballs in the sky. In 2017, something truly bizarre occurred in Canada, leaving everyone scratching their heads. A video surfaced showing two fireballs rapidly descending with an electric connection between them, leaving behind a smoky trail. While some suggested it was aliens or UFOs, no official explanation has been given. Let's put the speculation aside for now. It's just another mysterious occurrence in the sky. Raining spiders. In southern Brazil, residents experienced an unusual shower of spiders. It sounds like something out of a horror movie, but it's actually a normal event in Brazil when the weather turns hot and humid. Thousands of Parawixia bistriata spiders spin massive webs that are so fine they make it seem like spiders are floating or even raining down. If you didn't know about this phenomenon before, hit that subscribe button and like the video. Birds free fall. You might have seen that jaw-dropping video from a small city in Mexico in 2022, where hundreds of birds suddenly plummeted from the sky. It wasn't a storm, but a flock of blackbirds avoiding a predator. Within seconds, many birds flew away, but some were left scattered on the ground. Investigations confirmed it was just a flock in distress, but it left quite the impression on everyone who witnessed it. Strange figure in the sky. In 2017, something strange appeared over a shopping center in Cape Town, Zambia, a figure that looked like it had tentacles. At first, people thought it was just a cloud, but when it started to move, things got a little eerie. The mysterious shape was photographed from various angles, and it floated around for about 30 minutes before disappearing. Some speculated it was paranormal, others thought it was an alien. But no one really knows for sure. It could have just been an unusually shaped cloud. Jelly rain. A couple discovered mysterious jelly-like blobs on their patio after a downpour. They thought it was some kind of fungus, but professionals had a different explanation. These blobs are likely water-retaining gel used by gardeners, which spilled from potted plants and expanded during the rain. This isn't the first time such jelly blobs have been spotted around the world, sparking curiosity and leaving many wondering about their true origin. Red rain. The red rain that fell in Kerala, India, in July 2001 remains one of the strangest events in meteorological history. People were alarmed when rainwater appeared bright red in certain areas, making it seem like the world was ending. The red color came from microscopic red particles, which resembled biological cells. However, these particles didn't match anything known to science, leaving the phenomenon unexplained. Moving fires in the sky. In a remote town in England, a man captured a video showing 3 orange fireballs moving across the sky. These fireballs changed direction several times and left a sparkling trail of light. Whether these are signs of something divine or just meteorites streaking across the sky, it's anyone's guess. Ball of lightning. For centuries, people have reported seeing glowing balls of electricity floating in the air, known as ball lightning. In May 2019, a man named Andrei Tonovits from Belarus posted a video showing an electric blue sphere crossing railway tracks. This sparked widespread interest, with some speculating that it was a rare phenomenon known as ball lightning, which has been reported since the 1600s. What exactly it is, however, remains a mystery. The floating city. Imagine stepping outside and finding that your house has disappeared, only to see it floating up in the clouds like something out of a dream. Well, that's exactly what happened in 2015 when a video of a mysterious floating city over a Chinese city went viral. The world was shocked and confused about where it came from. An atmospheric scientist suggested it was too good to be true, and that it was probably a fata morgana, a type of mirage. This optical illusion makes objects appear higher in the sky than they actually are, which could explain the floating city. So, what do you think? Was it a clever hoax, or just nature playing tricks? Mysterious cloud formation. In 2018, residents in Israel were stunned when a bizarre, luminous ring of rotating clouds appeared out of nowhere. The sight was so unusual that people rushed to capture the moment on camera. Naturally, the video went viral, sparking wild speculation online. Some wondered if it was a sign that the world was ending, or if it could be an alien invasion. Of course, it could simply be one of those strange phenomena that science still hasn't fully explained. Luminous Spiral. On May 6, 2011, something extraordinary appeared in the sky above Tromsø, Norway, a spinning, bluish spiral. Locals who were familiar with the northern lights were still left in awe. The spiral lasted for about 2 minutes, and although it initially puzzled many, scientists soon identified it as likely being caused by a SpaceX rocket launch. The rocket's fuel dump in space created this stunning light show, solving the mystery. Tentacle monster. Recently, a video surfaced showing what appeared to be enormous, dark, and strangely shaped tentacles flying side by side across the sky, miles away. While no one knows for sure what they were, wild theories emerged. Could it be alien invaders, shape-shifting beings, or perhaps experimental high-tech aircraft? Whatever the explanation, this mysterious sighting certainly got people talking. Moon crash. Imagine observing the moon through your telescope on a clear night, when suddenly something strikes it with a loud bang. That's exactly what happened to a group of observers who captured the rare moment on camera. Some experts speculate that the object was part of a rocket, as space debris is known to break up in orbit. But there's a catch. No rocket part is large enough to make such a loud impact, and it's extremely rare for debris to hit the moon. So, the big question remains. What was it? Mysterious formation. Over Kumamoto. In Kumamoto, Japan, a passenger aboard an airplane filmed a massive, skyscraper-sized formation above the clouds. This strange pyramid-shaped structure appeared to be pointing directly up into the sky, defying the laws of physics. Its size and the way it hovered in the air left scientists scratching their heads. What do you think? What could this be? The Flash. Last year, Kyiv, Ukraine, was suddenly lit up by a mysterious flash of light in the sky, leaving everyone puzzled. The bright flash occurred at around 1 p.m., causing speculation that it might have been a NASA satellite falling from orbit. However, NASA confirmed that their satellite was still in orbit, and the Ukrainian Air Force suggested that the flash was caused by a meteorite streaking across the sky, creating a spectacular light show. Russian Thor. This video from Russia shows a flying human figure struck by lightning in midair. The witnesses were terrified as they filmed the shocking moment. Similarly, in India, a couple taking pictures at a historical site was stunned when a flying figure passed by in the background. What do you think? Is this a well-crafted video edit, or could there be beings out there with superpowers? Portal. In China, another mysterious video surfaced, this time showing a glowing rectangular shape in the sky over Jinan, Shandong province. The sight baffled people, leading to wild guesses and speculations. But as it turned out, it wasn't some mystical portal or anything as grand as people imagined. The local meteorological bureau later confirmed it was just a reflection from the lights used during a rehearsal for the 2022 Paralympic Winter Games closing ceremony. Motionless bird. When you hear motionless bird, you might imagine it lying still on the ground, right? Well, not in this case. It looks like a blackbird, but it's not moving because it's hanging in midair, frozen mid-flight. The bird is dead and somehow just floating in the air. No strings, no wires, just a mystery. Passers-by were shocked, snapping pictures and videos of the strange sight. But by the time authorities arrived to investigate, the bird had disappeared without a trace. What do you think caused this bizarre phenomenon? If you have an idea, drop it in the comments. Strange sky entity. Check out this video from China, where crowds gathered to witness a glowing figure with a luminous head in the sky. But here's the twist. After digging deeper, I found the truth behind this spectacle. Turns out, the sky show wasn't as mysterious as it first seemed. The dense clouds and water vapor that day caused light to bounce off a building's reflection, creating this amazing optical effect. Locust invasion. Next up, take a look at this footage showing the sky darkened by millions of locusts. This massive swarm hit Russia, covering the skies and roads. With the locusts out of control, authorities warned residents to be cautious, as locust plagues have a history of damaging crops and infrastructure. Isn't it wild how something like locusts can cause such chaos and have such a big impact? Amazing mirage in the sky. It's becoming clear that cities can seem to float in the sky, at least in China. Check out this stunning footage from Sichuan, where the perfect reflection of buildings appears in the clouds, creating an illusion of a floating city. I know it looks like animation, but it's all real. This incredible phenomenon happens when light bends through layers of air, making distant objects appear to float above. Wait until you see it for yourself. Mysterious smoke rings. You thought you'd seen it all? Well, now the sky's got smoke rings. In this latest video, a strange smoke ring rises high into the air, leaving everyone in awe. Had the sky been puffing out smoke? Honestly, nothing surprises me anymore when it comes to the sky. So, what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Red sky in China. We all love the beautiful sky during sunsets and sunrises, but what would you do if the sky suddenly turned red without warning? Well, that's exactly what happened to people in a city in eastern China when the night sky turned a deep crimson. Locals were shocked and wondered what caused it. Turns out, the red sky was simply a reflection from red lights on a fishing boat used to attract squid. Quite the scare, huh? Falling drones. Just when you thought you'd seen everything, hundreds of drones crashed during a light show in Hainan, China. Only 3 minutes after launching, the drones began falling from the sky. Witnesses were shocked as what was meant to be a beautiful display turned into chaos. Experts say a technical glitch caused the drones to lose sync and crash. Thankfully, no one was harmed, but it definitely ruined the event. It just goes to show you can't always trust machines. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.